Hello, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Elizabeth espresso machine. Comes to us with a leak from these corners. And when I test the machine, I find out the machine like full, both boilers are like full of scale, even like the tubes and the ends of that tubes, the beginning from the boiler to that tubes and hoses. It was all full of leak, which is causes like also I found a leak on the vacuum release valve, and there was like also a huge leak around the water level sensor probe. So I start from there. I clean that probe and reseal it again, and I replaced the vacuum release valve, and I did a tune-up for the machine. I replaced these the group head gaskets and the shower screen, this one, and the broken hose and the elbow, and I descaled the machine twice, deep clean the steam wand and even the portafilter. Of course include the group head, who was built a lot of coffee around the gaskets. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot on it. This is the first fit for the portafilter in the new gasket. Actually gets a nice new silicone gasket. So let's make a espresso shot first. Let's do the perfusion. See how like crema, 3 layers of coffee. It's actually amazing tasty shot. Let's test the steamer. Works perfect. And the hot water. This is great. So the machine functioning perfect, and it's refilling right away after clean the water level probe, and no any leak, no nothing. The machine it's like new. Thank you for watching.